And now is the operation tutorial of the machine. Firstly, connect in the compressed air for the machine, and then turn on the compressed air, and then turn on the power switch. Now it's restart. And reset the machine. Firstly, reset the machine to its home position. Now it's reset to the home position. When the sensor is aligned with this spool, then it is at its home position. And then you can push start to start the machine. And for the screen, this is the home screen, the production count, and the push clear to clear the product count to 0, and the start button and the stop button. And this turntable speed maximum 60, and the turntable resetting speed. And this is reset button. Before running machine must push this button to reset the machine to their home position. And this is the menu screen. Calculate delay time. We set a calculate in place delay. And this capping time we can set different capping time to have different capping torque and patterning. And this is capping up down, and this is calculate forward and rearward. This is这手动的不会动，对吧？ And also manual screen, and this is the monitor screen.